welcome to Best Cars Review. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 in bright white clear coat. This is a powerful luxury SUV with a bold design, extreme tuning, and an aggressive stance that grabs attention instantly. At the front, the SUV looks wide, sharp, and sporty. It features a massive black honeycomb grille, bold Audi and Mansory logos, and red glowing headlights that give it a fierce presence. The front bumper has deep cuts, carbon fiber elements, and sharp lines that add to its high-performance look. From the side, the body looks sculpted and aerodynamic. The wide wheel arches, large alloy wheels, carbon fiber skirts, and black mirror caps all give it a sleek and muscular appearance. The side doors carry the Mansory logo, and the overall design flows smoothly toward the rear. Inside, the cabin is a mix of racing inspiration and pure luxury. The front seats are wrapped in black leather with red diamond stitching, and the dashboard is finished in carbon fiber. Ambient lighting in red adds a stylish glow, and the digital displays look high-tech and premium. The steering wheel and infotainment system are custom-tuned by Mansory, giving a unique experience behind the wheel. The rear seats offer the same level of comfort and style. Two sculpted leather seats are divided by a sleek center armrest. There's enough space for legroom and headroom, and everything from the seat contours to the ambient lights feels premium. Carbon fiber finishes, red accents, and rear climate controls make the rear cabin just as impressive. At the back, the SUV keeps its sporty look with a full carbon fiber rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a black spoiler. The taillights stretch across the rear and glow sharply, completing the aggressive look. The Mansory and Audi logos are placed cleanly, and the glossy rear bumper adds extra shine. Under the hood, the RS Q8 hides a beast, a twin-turbocharged V8 engine tuned by Mansory. The engine bay is ultra-clean with carbon fiber covers, red accents, and factory-like finish. Every part under the hood looks ready for performance, built for speed, sound, and strength. This SUV isn't just about looks. It delivers thrilling performance, unmatched luxury, and detailed craftsmanship. Whether parked in a showroom or roaring down the highway, the 2025 Mansory Audi RS Q8 makes a strong statement. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments, and stay connected with Best Cars Review for more exciting car showcases.